might be ringing it and bringing it, and it's the first time in like, I don't know, 9 months.
No ringing, just bringing.
It's the final countdown. Yeah, yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And it's a cold, chilly fall day here in Maryland.
Yeah, it's too cold to have the kiddos out here now that we're officially a family of 4. Cade, big brother, is doing awesome, and he's got the little lady inside. And today we are gonna cook a yummy, tasty appetizer, side dish.
So we're making something today to heat us up from the inside out. We are making buffalo chicken dip jalapenos.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
All right, so the first part of this is I gotta get the chicken on the griddle. We've got our boneless, skinless chicken breasts here, and I've pre-flattened them to get them on the griddle so they'll cook a little bit faster. And once they're cooked, then we're gonna shred them for our buffalo chicken dip. And to give our chicken a little bit of flavor before we put it in the dip, we're gonna use Blackstone's all-purpose seasoning right on the griddle.
While our chicken is cooking, I'm gonna cut up our jalapenos. I'm just gonna cut off the tops, straight down the middle, pull out the veins, and get them ready to go on the griddle. We're gonna put them on the griddle before we stuff them, just to get them roasted a little bit.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna give our chicken a flip.
We cannot wait to get back on the road. It's the final countdown for us. In a few weeks, we are going to be headed south to Florida, where you may know 2 particular chefs. CJ and Nate both live in the Florida area.
She just called CJ a chef.
I believe in CJ. That should be the next Griddle Nation shirt. I believe in CJ. Anyway, so we're headed down to Florida. We know they live there. Last year we headed down south in January and we got to meet up with them and cook. Now we're thinking they should get RVs, come visit us, and check out what RV life is all about. Comment below if you think they should too.
All right, we got our jalapenos all cut up. Now the chicken is done, it's time to pull it off. Are you ready to shred?
Yep.
You're like the master shredder.
Right, exactly.
Yep.
You're a better onion cutter. I'm a better shredder.
Yeah, I don't shred well, apparently.
So I'm totally having deja vu here from when I shredded last time. We made a tri-tip for the very first time. We made tri-tip tachos, and my hands were so sore. I did have to call in Spencer for reinforcements because I just could not keep shredding. Not sure if my fingers are numb from the shredding or how cold it is. But the chicken is shredded. We're gonna get it down on the griddle, and then we're gonna add our sour cream,
cream cheese,
and buffalo sauce.
Yep.
All the fixins.
And a garlic.
All right, buffalo sauce, here we go.
One more.
Oh, buffalo sauce smells so good. We put our buffalo sauce and our sour cream in first, mixed it up a little bit. Now we're gonna add the cream cheese and garlic. Hard to see it in there. Camouflage. This is looking so good and it smells amazing. Our dip looks fantastic. Before we start stuffing our peppers, we are gonna add a few different shredded cheeses here. I've got cheddar, extra sharp, and a 4-cheese Mexican. Then we're gonna put our peppers on the side just to roast them up a bit. We're gonna give the peppers about 3 to 4 minutes to roast, and then we'll start stuffing.
Yeah, baby. Move up.
Keep me warm.
Yeah. We're using Steve and Ed's buffalo wing sauce today. I have no idea who Steve and Ed are, but they look like nice guys on the label, so we decided to support a smaller business and pick their sauce up. Let's flip these peppers over and get them stuffed.
All right. Let's get this popper started right. Let's get this popper started quickly, right? It's a popper party. Party poppers.
Proper popper party.
Yeah. Say that 7 times fast.
Popper party. Popper party. Party popper.
All right, we're almost there. I'm gonna cut up a little bit of green onion, then we're gonna top our poppers with cheese and then plate them up. And I mean, who doesn't travel with a torch? So we're gonna
Gotta light a fire.
Yeah, we're gonna just do a little fun finish on our poppers and get these plated up. Now, what I love about this too is we have so much extra that just becomes a dip. So if you don't love jalapenos, or if you're using this as a game day snack or entertaining appetizer, you can just have the dip on the side and then poppers for those who love jalapenos.
Yep. All right, we're getting the last bits of sunset peeking through the trees there, and
Let's
we've
dive
got our
in.
poppers ready.
Yeah,
These look fantastic.
And I'm
really
cold, they're nice and warm.
Yes.
Let's warm up.
from the inside out. I'm just going all in. I know you're gonna take a bite.
Well, some mouths are bigger than others. It's buffalo chicken dip. So good.
It's so good. And those peppers are good.
It's like the perfect roast on the pepper too, because
Yep.
it's still got that crunch. You know we love texture.
And that sauce has a nice zing to it.
Yeah. So
Not too spicy, but it's got a nice zing
Steve and
to it.
Eddie.
Steve and Eddie. Yeah.
Steve and Eddie.
Steve and Ed.
They know what they're doing.
Steve and Ed. Thanks,
So thanks,
guys.
Steve. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. We love cooking for you. We hope you guys try this at home.
Visit blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell so you don't miss any of the videos from all the great cooks.
Like Nate, CJ, Todd, Bruce, Betty, and us. Also comment below if you think CJ and Nate should join us in an RV maybe sometime in the
Yes.
next month or so.
Until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.